Shakas. Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with a really quick share for a project that I am mailing out for an entry. This is for Polite Creation. She's doing a 600 Subbie challenge giveaway. The entry must be in her hand by April 10th, so not much time left. But she's just asking you to create something that you love to make and that represents you. So basically crafter's choice. And so yeah, I am going to leave her link to her YouTube channel in the description box below, so you can go ahead and go check her out. And let's get started. So I did make another stationery box. Let me zoom out a little. Wrong way. Here we go. So I did make another stationery box. Sorry, the lighting it's bright, yeah. Maybe I can close the blinds a little. Did that help? I hope that helped. Anyway, so yep, here's the cover, and when it pops open, it falls that way. And here's what it looks like. There's just a pad here, a paper pad here. I'm including a pen, a little die for congratulating her on her Subbie. Party time. It's just a popper thingy. And then a box of cards. I believe there's five cards in here that I handmade. Sorry for all the glare. But yeah, so that tucks in there. And then some other goodies. But yeah, go ahead and go check her out. Like I said, her link to her YouTube channel will be in the description box below. I hope you guys are having a great week, still staying safe and healthy. And until the next video, shakas!